Hello everyone, this is TP29 journal printer used in DN100 ATM of Diebold Nixdorf. It look like this, and we can get here the two switches, LF button and test switch. LF will roll the paper and test switch will perform the printing test. Let's check this. And print like this about the ATM. Now let's go to refilling process. You can lift the screen lever up and down to lock and unlock the head of the printer. You will get printed journal roll on this part that should be removed, and you can remove this paper by tearing or lifting the head up and removing the paper like this by pulling, or you can tear the paper. This is the journal paper on which the journal is printed inside the ATM. Very first thing, you should keep this journal paper inside this part. Before inserting the paper, you must lock the head of printer. After locking head, you need to insert the paper from this part, and it will automatically pull the paper, and then you can roll this paper on this part as shown in video. Just roll it round and put in the gap. After press LF or test switch, this will automatically start printing test and adjust itself